Have you ever wondered how to adopt e-learning effectively inside your organization? Learn the best practices for creating and implementing e-learning in the workplace. An e-learning champion is someone who helps you understand the fundamentals of online training. They aid you in planning, creating, developing, and implementing e-learning in your organization. To lay a strong foundation to becoming an e-learning champion in your organization. Understand your career paths and know how you may advance. Globalization, changing demographics, and enabling technology impact all businesses. Discover the competitive edge that L&D professionals bring to their organizations. Organize, train, and brand yourself for success as an e-learning champion. Register for the webinar and become an e-learning champion.